Yeah, still Saturday, May 14th. Still doing projects here at the farm. This is a grinder stand from When they make carts. I was gonna make my own. Found this on Amazon. It was under $100 bill, I remember that. Yeah, mounted a Craftsman 6-inch bench grinder to it. This Craftsman grinder is not like your Harbor Freight grinders. This tool holder here, you use that to sharpen your drill bits. You got your course wheel over here, got your light. I like to put in LED lights. Still have to dress the wheels even though they're new. And my dressing tool, I can't remember where I put the damn thing, but I'll find it sooner or later. Got a vibration in it. Those of you that don't know, even brand new grinding wheels have to be dressed with a dressing tool when first put in use. They're close, but they're never perfect. And little dressing tools you can get on Amazon, Harbor Freight, anywhere. And it's got little star looking wheels on it, and it'll take off some of the material of the grinding wheel and true it up. They got diamond dressing tools. You know, it depends on what kind of grinders you're using, but for me, just the old mechanical star wheels are just fine. So got this project done. Got extra parts. That's in case you have more than 2 mounting locations for your grinder you put on this thing. But yeah, kind of like it. 10 minutes put together, wasn't nothing. Got your little water tray down here. Cast iron base, steel tube, steel plate to mount your grinder. So that's all for this one. On to the next project. Thank you.